the next breath you take can kill you, especially if you are in Delhi. Why is that? That is because Delhi is probably the most polluted city in the world. The Guardian, however, last month differed in saying that Banaras was the most toxic city in northern India. Toxicity or air pollution is quite bad in the cities of this country. In fact, of the 20 most polluted cities in the world, we have 10 of them. What is air pollution? Air pollution is toxic gas accompanied by dust. Both are produced by traffic emissions, industrial complexes, construction work, burning of leaves, burning of crop residue, and the usage of diesel generators. Why are these dust particles so important, or rather so dangerous? The dust particles can be as small as 2.5 microns. In fact, that's what they are called. Particulate matter 2.5, PM 2.5. What is a micron? A micron is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. To give you a perspective, the human hair is 50 microns in diameter. The human eye can see things as small as 40 microns. The white blood cell in our blood is 28 microns. The red blood cell is 8 microns. Bacteria is as tiny as 2 microns. And we talk of dust particles as small as bacteria, that is 2.5 microns. These dust particles, the PM 2.5, can stay in an area for days or weeks and can be transmitted by wind hundreds of kilometers. Why are they dangerous? These particles are dangerous because of their smallness. They go deep into our lungs and from there into the bloodstream. By going into the lungs, as you all know, they can cause bronchitis, aggravate asthma. They can even cause lung cancer. Chronic exposure can cause blocks in the coronary arteries, can promote atherosclerosis. Even acute exposure of hours or some days can trigger off an acute heart attack, which can be lethal. Apart from this, these dust particles induce an inflamed state in the body and thereby can even cause diabetes. But what is not well known is the fact that air pollution has been associated with dementia and Parkinson's disease. How is that? The air you breathe, if it is toxic and full of these small dirty particles, can go right into the human brain through the cubiform fossa. The human brain is very close to your nostrils. So therefore, the next time you do pranayam, make sure that the air around you is clean enough. How do you measure air pollution? Now there is a parameter which is called air quality index. If the index is below 50, then the air is healthy. If the quality goes above 100, then old people and the young are vulnerable. If the air quality index goes above 150, then all of us and each one of us is in danger. Today's air quality index of Delhi was hovering at 200. Now that's a lot. That's lethal. What can you do as an individual? Well, the first thing that you should do is to discourage people from firing firecrackers or launching rockets. You must stop people in your neighborhood from burning leaves and garbage. What can the government do? The government must install monitors to regulate the air quality index in all these polluted cities. Right now, only 2 cities have these monitors, Delhi and Faridabad. The central government and the state governments must ensure that the air quality index is told to the public loudly and repeatedly every 1 hour, either through the radio or through every and each television channel of each and every language available in this country. Apart from that, once the air quality index has gone above 200, then the government has to react. It has to react promptly. It must stop factory work. It has to stop construction and install the odd-even traffic system. It has to do everything possible to stop this air pollution business. I will end by telling you a very grim statistic, and this was published a year ago. And what it says is that of the more than 4 million school children of Delhi, more than 2 million, more than half of them have permanently compromised lungs. Now that is tragic news.